Ibomvu phezulu ne? Kala le
Side show.
What's the reason why it should be fine when I'm here?
Kalong like Peto, Lloyd, no Lloyd's Barbie man.
But that doesn't matter. Like it's still gonna, you guys still gonna look the same either way.
So you know
more like ikona la we man kuthiwa
Like effects.
kuthiwa into uyibhokwe esigusheni yabola we like uzanento yakho yentsha like
It doesn't make sense. I don't understand.
wena ethu phuma egusheni uthini thetha ngezibhokwe segushini
nandithi
uthini my dog
okay umhle
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
ngokutela bezulisela ujita sayi abeza ke khona
kalanga kuthiwa ngaboza straight phuni
No, it's fine. It's fine. I understand. You know, I also get shy sometimes. Sometimes I don't even like compliment people. I keep it to myself.
so wena abantu xa becompliment into eba umhle babelieve okanye ucinga nje bathetha just for just
No, the thing is like, guys, you know what I've realized is that like I can't take compliments. Like I get so weird. Like if someone be like, "Oh, you look so gorgeous," I don't know what to say. I'm like, "Oh, like I say those stuff." But I actually like appreciate it though.
big time
I
because
appreciate
of
big time because it makes me feel good. You know, it makes me feel better about myself.
Pini compliment vya kaloka zoziva crack compliment isisa
No, it's fine. Nah, it's enough now.
You look
It's
so
too much.
gorgeous.
Too that.
You look so
no.
fabulous.
Too much of something. Is like, nah, it's not nice. It's not nice.
but anyway Liema, I'm too blessed to be stressed, mama. I'm too blessed to be stressed. We're still up at I had a pleasure comfort zone. We're too blessed. We're very, very much blessed. The go to cast intro. Command cash. Now you show Mazula de la Crane.
Yeah. What up? Welcome to Comfort Zone. It's a Jan A to
Mike?
We are here in streets of Titwarans, man. Yeah, man. Samba no. Liam.
Intro.
Introduce.
No, guys, my name is Liam. Yeah, really. There's nothing more of me. But like other people do call me Limsy. Yeah, that's all.
Lips.
Nothing. Don't. Limsy with the M.
You might
There's
even
nothing
if it's a
special
lips,
about me.
you're wrong.
It's like you're making fun of my name. It's like like Lipsy. Like there's no P. It's just M. It's just Limsy.
What's this take it easy?
No, say it right. Otherwise, just leave it. Just say Liam.
Say it right.
Malins.
Yeah, like I hate it when people like give me names, even like Olili. Like why would you call me Lili?
Like, as long as it's Lloyd, as long as
Yena kaloku ufuna ubizwa ba
Limsy. Or just say Liam. And actually Liam is a common name. Like it's
Limsy is Limsie. Okay, Limsy. Now I get
it. You thought what?
Lipsy.
Lipsy. Lipsy.
No, wait, guys. Why would I name myself Lipsy? Like, why would I name myself? Like, why would I do that? Why would it not? Wait. Can I ask something? Like, you were talking about my friend, what?
When the situation is chewed up.
I want to know. I actually want to get back to you. What happened? Like, I actually want to know.
Yo. So siqala ngami nangoku. So okay, ichomi yakho ndizimbiza ngegama ne yo
libuza yona. But yeah.
But nakaloku uzumrefer as ichomi yakho because of beninonke ngala mini beninonke nedibana naninonke ngala weekend. Kwenzeka ngala weekend. Yo, true story. Zange ndithe naye muslamna nakhumbula musla night le ibinjani icacise na night
very shy, like you were so reserved.
Give me night
ubungafuna engage and I was like, why is he like this? But and like because I thought like you think you're better than everyone. You were so
when you did English
No, it's not even that. Like it's not that. We were all like, let's attend this class. I was Lazi and you know, and Luvo, it was nice.
But besides English, Benijesu, ukubona site mnganami, like fethu. Twakhona mamita because nekhona levels zamamiti. Yo, angala mili ya dava xa kuthiwa khona ichomi zikakhanye zizayo. Na I thought kuzofika nje abantu nje. Andifuna uqhekisa lithi mhlambi. From oqala phela wagqibela sho.
Basibonke dog. Yo le chemba.
So ke ngonke umuntu xa uthi umuntu unoze confidence khona Lloyd take unqobile igrand. Lloyd.
Okay. No,
And
no,
like,
them
it's a
understand
skip
why
to
they
the
tool it. No, I understand.
so wonke lamuntu bafundini benechess bahle bonke abantwana so ngoku noncane obisi igameli ukuba kona rather than manicine safe
Not say anything.
disibeke
But they're
ecaleni
actually nice, Angela. They're nice. I don't think they want
No.
to look at that. They're actually so nice.
na I felt like le indlela yami yozigcina safely emakhulu and
So then, okay,
there's
what
a videos
happened then?
bendinazo
Wayifaka kanjani?
so xa sisiya kweso story sabuya nyani njengosabuyela apha ekazi ubhulwazi andithumele inamba ndiyazi inamba ifumene kubani leya but inamba yalo mnana yena undithumela ngento yoba into yoba eyi lo khazi lo uyakufuna so
Ufuna bani?
So that's what he said to you.
Yo, stay out.
so
That's what he said to you.
namos mudiye ku-instagram because ndamona kufacebook akafumaneki inamba yakhe ninayo before ndiye kwinamba yakhe makana nemresearch ku-instagram nangangena ku-instagram ndimcheke yohandimbone uba hayi
Bad bitch.
material nani ndendibona
Which
phaa
material?
ndisharp
Tell me which material?
hayi
She's cute.
yonke
No, guys, like,
material
I actually like her. Like, all of them.
You-
Like, I feel like
Baby,
she's...
cheers. Which material?
yonke material ndifuna ukucacisa wife material baby mama material
Mama material.
Jima baby, cheers.
Okay.
So wena uzamkuthi kum even ngathi ina kayi-1 tapela phakathi.
faka yona
Ayo.
Hi, guys. See you, bitch.
yo
Lord.
continue to his story
No, ingxaki ndifuna uva thuba le baby mama material yabo. No, kaloku mamela kaloku if khona ichair qombe yabo lo jika like nje ufumane mhlambi 190 chance nje a1 qombe uzofuna umbamba ngala qombe yafaneleka.
If I would say that to you. I don't like it.
Gima uzothi imuthini kayiphinde le nto.
I'm detached. I'm saying, but anyways.
no masibasiyeni out before sizekele yami question so if ungathini wena
No, but like it's actually disrespectful. It's like if I would say, oh, I like you, no. But then you just want one night thing with me.
manika nansi le situation seyisenzeka ngoku uthuli emadog ndiyakunika le chance nansi ngoku wena ungathini kuye nanku phambi kwakho
Like I just wanna ask, it's just an example.
Ano yakajika mehlo dog.
faka yonke
Guys,
Not injalo.
son,
Okay,
let's move
sorry,
on.
sorry.
Let's fast forward.
ndithi kutshomi ke ngoku hayi but njengondize ngeskill sintswembu into yoba
Traumatizer, Shem.
ndize ngeskill soba chomi hayi yabo athi yena wrong number nobucinga ndingubani ndinguwe ndinguliem ndithi no man lo mntu ndimtextayo ndiyamazi nditexta lo mntu ndimaziyo abuziyo yonke inamba yam ifumene phi ndithi na inamba yakho ndayifumana ngala night leya because of wow cause ndandibona mos ndibincinile I remember nangoba benibuya ebusuku nifika silele pha ndihleli
Pap.
kanti zikutsile ebhedini so naqonda nosebenza lo is an excuse uba man inamba yakho ndinika ngala mini leya xa wena ukhumbula nix uba wayibeka blunt as it is yela pride khumuli
Kaneze loo nto mna.
block
So
remove inamba ndamyeka nje njalo
Did you block her?
Mama block home.
ndiyimfundini because of ndibhaqiwe ngoku mos
You know, wait, no, but like at first, like, why would you just take her number like that from someone else?
But in a machine.
kaloku
And then, now get banned like a uchomi yakho, they think like when you're thinking about
cousin
yeah, cousin.
mntu wam
Cousin
umntana
yakho
mosha
is like uyakubhanqa, you thinking, nah, this girl is into me.
Yo.
Kanti she's not at all.
Yo.
When you just embarrassed yourself.
wesinye ukumnaya that night bendingajonganga yena but ndaqonda sezile zapha sezile boss yeke liam
No, but like just
Yeke
tell
Liam.
me. Like it's
Yeke
not gonna
Liam.
come out. Just do
andibazi
you even know the names?
andibazi
Okay, just
igama
name
labo.
something that were like one of them was wearing. Was it like
I think
a black and white?
uluve beke wathi at some point eyafika phaa izomfuna ne-crazy boyfriend vat nazi man but
Now you overthink.
umdenyane
Oh, I see her.
Yes,
She's
ma'am.
actually cute. I
Yes,
see her.
ma'am.
Like she's a bad bitch, got that. And they twins. Guess I know with the one that you texted.
No, the pet beach. Because it's the pet beach. You so positive.
For me, like I feel like a bad bitch is like someone who's independent. Yeah,
wena
and
ungatsho
someone
uba
who's
you're a
like
bad bitch
me.
Imali oyithenga ucacela man.
No, but for me, apart from that, I actually don't know what the meaning of
bad bitch.
is now, but I'm just thinking of like a very beautiful woman like,
from
who's
a lucky side,
independent,
Okay.
like who does their own stuff, like he doesn't need a man.
Not le uyincingayo.
Not that bad bitch.
Yeah, I'm
I know what
telling
he thinks because I thought he bad bitch is a whore.
And ke ngoku nami ke ngoku nenza ntyhafa ke ngoku xa usithi ba nami ngicinga ngaloo ndlela.
No, mqomba, bad bitch.
Unsiva bad bitch.
Manibheka ngesixhosa ngqomba. Sifebe.
No, I mean like
Like
no.
from the streets ngqomba, bad bitch. Untombazane engekho right. Yeah, ivalewe i-translation injani. Untombazane engekho right.
No, but this one is a
Bad
good
bitch.
term though. Like you were bad, like you're very attractive, like you're good looking. That's how I know
But
bad bitch
but
is.
uncedile icacise kwenzela socacelo nathi because
Yeah, but that's what I always say. Like I refer to girls like as bad bitches. Like if I see a very like beautiful woman, I'm like, oh, that's a baddie.
apha
yo,
like
that's
nonke
a
ngalamini leya
Thank you
nonke
so
ngalamini. I was like no mandizikutse kakuhle ebhedini yam ndibe safe nonke ndithetha namntu wonke.
ungabuzihlaza kanti uyozihlaza more. I think it was gonna be even better if you just approached her rather than just texting her. Like I don't think she would have had like the same attitude if you had confidence in yourself.
And naye wayibona uba kwane-first
with the
approach
way-
yam ndiyaxoka ndithi namba ndifumane kuye
Exactly.
red
So-
flag.
That
That actually turned her off.
But ukhona le
Ubalisele lewe.
You can't imagine if you spoke to me and were like, if Babu tell Leva, I like
Yo.
your friend Yako, I was actually gonna put
that's
you
the
up.
thing bendingafuni yena ndiyitsho nje.
Ubalisele ukhazi lewe.
No, she didn't, because like as I say, like we're not friends, but like she's a friend of a friend. That's how we all in one place. She's not my friend, so obviously she's not gonna share izinto zakhe with me. She would have shared that with like
Ukhazi
Ukhazi.
of which nami stress sam seso ke ngoku loo
She
ndingafunanga
obviously
uya
did.
into deep.
She
Because
obviously did
ndiyayazi,
because you know how I
Chomi,
know.
ubhuti wakho ndiqonda oh
You know what I
mandiqedike
know?
kwalapha.
I feel like she.
No.
I feel like she did because you know how I know because Ulo Ubutika Kanya, the big one, like said by he wants me. So obviously my
Which
friend,
Ah, sizubiza kam.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
the big one.
Big
the
one.
big one, the big bro. So obviously my friend is gonna be devastated. Like, what are you doing? Like, this is my friend. Like, how can you do stuff like that? And like, and it's like, oh yeah, he doesn't care. Like, hey, there's about you know.
Ubhuti.
Yeah, I want you.
Like why mantombazane ithanda ubana la ngxaki nalawe ba abo bhuti tenza ufuna ichomi yami.
No, but I understand it now because like if you're dating like Masiti, you're my brother. Ne? You're my friend. You're my
I know
brother,
that,
ne?
that.
And then now you want
Yeah.
Ichonyam, right? You want Ichonyam. Why would you want to do that? Because now I'm gonna be like mixed up in whatever you guys are doing. I'm gonna be in the middle of everything. If you cheat on her, now I must take your side or I must take her side.
Okay, so
Like, I
ke
must be
ngoku i-friendship
mixed up.
izoba
And that's gonna make things weird because now onzo uchakela ngoku ichomi yam yona nsi ex yam brother yakho ilapha endlini like it's that cute.
Nabe
It's
ningayicingi
not
ngale
cute.
ndlela.
I think it like that. It's not nice, guys. It's not. It's quite cute.
Mamele yam perspective yabo
Okay.
ivaya njani. Okay.
wena unayo yakho mngana itsho
Yabo nansi yam perspective ne. Okay, leya mane. I'm your brother. Ndibona ichomi yakho. Nansi intyantyambe enhle mbhadla. Chini ichomi kubamba papa nango line. Yabo. Upapa naye abhayithe yabo. So mna like I feel like iwe emnandi. Xa lamnana ezoza kum, uzoza ngawe kuwe. Uzoza ngawe kuwe.
no
Like
no no
easy.
no
Easy like
But
the way
that's not
easy.
cute, Njana.
yabona for mna
Nothing is
Cute,
cute.
ifethu.
kana
I
jersey
love that.
andikuthuli phantsi kwetrain but
That's
so cute.
nam ndihamba naye because jonga umzekelo ndinelile sister ichomi yakhe ulilitha so ichomi zikalilitha ndizenza sure uba ndirun away from zona
Exactly.
as far as possible noba ukhona mhlawumbi lowo ndimbonileyo uba ndiphandlile chomi but at the end of the day ndayazi uyobalisa
Kulilitha
Sister
because
Ramomncane,
it's
khawube nombono,
Chomi.
khawube nombono
Now
nje
she's
ngoku.
gonna know izinto ezenzeka between
Ubhuti
wena,
wenza
ubhuti-
so na so na so.
ubhuti does this,
No.
ubhuti just cheated last week.
No.
Ubhuti guys, it's
So
not
uyayiva
nice.
mntakwethu
yena makathu yena kaloku uveza uthatha icycle
She's not
kababa.
gonna thula because ichomi yam leyana at the end of
She
the
must
day.
tool.
mngana wam akafuni nova.
Alive. Yena
Ayenzeka kanjalo.
sinomdade mama makathule.
No, it's not gonna happen like that. That's why now I would never date my friends.
Kodwa
Right.
nyhani man,
I would
lawe-
never.
lawe-
Ubona iqaphelayo, bro.
icingisise
Like
Ucinga
cinga
umntwana
umntwana okay ndiza ninyinkara ebusuku like andibone mhlawumbe my sister.
ichomi
Like
yakhe
izomvisa kabuhlungu.
And it's gonna put her in a position that she has to tell her.
Like iyoba newe ngaphakathi wena xa ufika uzothetha naye.
Exactly.
Bona, yo, chomi ke yazi
Now when
ngibona
I,
ukuthi
nah guys, don't even try it.
but
Don't
if
even
yenzeke
try it.
yenzekile nje
No, ayikho lonto. Okay, I do believe by like you do not choose who you fall in love with, ne? But don't do that. Don't do that to yourself and your sister.
But if kwenzekile man.
Like what? Like Jani.
If ndiphandliwe mhlawumbe
alive bini ebodange wena uyaphakuma uyaphakula side
the bit of both mna ndikho kucalela i1 ndingaba mphinde ndibe ngapha
jola nechire chomi yawo yiwo jola nechomi ama Jesus
mna enenza ndigive up kwakule chomi yakuthetha ngayo it's because of that ngokanye ndingafuni mna kuthiwe xa kuhlelwe mhlawumbe etafileni kudiscusswe zichomi netopic up
Give
phela lo way fast.
Exactly. And you know now one thing but you remember that night the brother was like, oh so hamba man
wena
mna mandingahambi mahlale naye. How does that make sense? Like I'm here with my friends and then when you telling me mandingahambi
and the shame be gentleman ngalamini ndekhumbula kukhulula iteki kukhulula
khulula bani
love you take like if that
not long icingayo man
like Jay he's just being nice, he's just being jealous just because he wants me, not because I would never do that. I don't like him. I would never.
bandliwe goed man
but nawe ngalathina mna bencinga ngathi khona nde
no, because one thing about me I realized that I'm too nice, yabo. So like people like must understand.
wathatha lo way to the advantage.
It's like me being nice to him, yabo. I'm talking to him. People would think like I like him, but I don't even like him. I'm just like someone who likes having conversations with people. Like I like talking to people.
le class beda klamin yo mna anda bencinga like you
Oh hell nah. I would never do that to my friend.
limbs
Hi.
uthi wena ba like unice andibiza right
awumbiza kamanje
Nice.
uthi okay unice ne like uthanda ukuncokola nomuntu like umbone ngathi ethanda ukuncokola nincokola okay yawazi ama outing ngaphandle okay mina ndi out yakho yabo njengoba ndi out yakho ke ngoku wena ugqi enye out ezokuncokoliswe la out ibamba ba like as a friend mina ndi out yakho anzuyifila la we because mina ndizincinga ngalangqondo la out ba yo le out ibekela amagama ifaka iCV ba and noma bite ke ngoku
Ngiyakuva shem.
because ndibona ismile sakho
No, I know when you speak like that, but it also depends about how do I react to Lamdo. Like I do not entertain him first of all because I know I have a boyfriend, so I'm not gonna be out being like giving out my number and also njalo.
awuzunikisa number but it's just la conversation esibo uhlala lapha ne usuka ngasisekileni most also ngasisekileni noba uza sewutouchwa ama out high five yebe khona le one ngazuthi
Why was it
hayi limo
that's not the reality.
ngakhala besuthe lori nje
akwenzeki nix It
does happen now.
Yeah,
Like, wait, no one comes to
approach
to talk to me, like approach me.
like,
Like
yeah.
I haven't experienced in the like I do, but like a very random. It's just cat calling, kind of cat calling. Your video, like it's just like that.
say a red flag le.
It's a red flag.
Ndakwazi ufuna uza nenye ngoku usambuzile qala ngoba singaskipile kumbuze yona
What did you want to
yabona lapho ukhuphile vira I think ebethe xa nimba grand lambuzo wakhe unazo boundaries na wena xa mhlawumbe out yakho awunoringa mhlawumbe no ethu ngendlela ezobona abantu abazoyibona snacks.
I understand.
besides calling afet kova endleleni dog
bubuza lo nto right.
No, but like I do not have control over it endleleni. I don't have control over
it.
But I do have control over how am I gonna react to them, like in Zobapoka or something like that. I'm sorry.
Limbs
Mine.
I'm sorry.
Uchere am limbs why ungashekisela out like kwiphoxa kwayise mina ndifuna except in chest ndifuna mina
But look, there are people that I know. Like this is my hometown. Like this is where I was born and bred.
Ndikhona ngoku abasheke.
But obviously, like I'm not gonna be rude to Umden Mazio just because I have a boyfriend who is there. There's boundaries. But oh hi, hello, bye bye. Exactly. And you know what, guys?
Like Liam. The dog like okay according to when
Okay.
Dog.
No, but that's the thing, you know.
According to yena icacisa
ngafuna umkhipha iziqanda le goodman dog usuthetha nabani na suka kokwenu okanye suka eteksini uya kokwenu straight awuthi ekutatshayo vele ujonge phambili
So mna xa ndiphuma ephuma ndize kuwe xa.
andalego man.
So
But then what if I want to hang out with my friends?
Which friends?
endichomi zaka mhlambe ngama-out
Which
dibene
friends?
naye endleleni
Ah,
Funeka
no way.
behood.
Nah, yeah, but
Overthink
I
it,
don't
dog.
I don't have guy friends. If I have guy friends, it's probably like people from school. Yeah, but I don't have guy friends. If it's guy friends, like people from school, and I do consider them as guy friends because like they are guys. Yeah, but and you know what happened, hey, guys? I actually dealt with something like that with the insecure guy. You know, I once dated an insecure guy.
iza nazo
Yeah, well, so it's a very like a recent relationship, you know, not recent, like he was very insecure. So meaning me, like I couldn't, you know, do certain
Crazy.
stuff because it makes him
Podcast,
drive crazy.
so-
I don't think podcast. It's like, yeah, man, if I'm talking to someone.
Kumba fast.
Kumba fast.
I think
you know,
the idea-
he's very controlling.
I think
like he
Sandy
wants
has.
me to do this. No, it's not someone you know.
Okay.
It's not someone you know.
but uthini ke umjita
So like the guy wants my IG handle, yo. Not the IG handle, IG account. Full account, yeah.
Yo.
He wants my account. Bear in mind, we just got into the relationship.
Wathi sapa account yakho.
He was like, he wants my account, and I'm like, okay, me as your girlfriend, okay, I'm not gonna be like, okay, I'm so because
there's
obviously he's gonna feel like, oh, Liam is cheating on me. That's how he's gonna feel like. So I was like, you know what, let me give it to you. But Luna, what do you think? Like, we just got into a relationship, so obviously there are conversations of people that were talking to me. So I'm not gonna. When you wanted to put yourself in that position, so when you born and you born, so I gave it to him. You know, he was asking. No, he was asking. Like obviously now at this time, like
uyekile ngoku but zona i-chat ezikhoyo ukhona mhlawumbi u-8 ebebulisile
okay, Liam, I liked this person. Yeah, so he went through the stuff, you know, and he's asking by Liam, who's this? Liam, who's that?
Where's
Liam, who's that?
today?
He never passed, yeah, and bear in mind, before me and him got into a relationship, I told him there was this person I liked. So right now, you want to be in a relationship with me? At your own risk. Yeah, well. So I gave him a warning.
Lily chance, big chance.
I gave him a warning, yeah, well. I gave him at your own, like.
Afar yingozi.
So me and him never got to talk about low situation because nah man, let me not talk about this because it's about that yeah, but so let me leave it, yeah, but then he comes across this guy and he's like, Liam, who's this guy? And I tell him, this is the guy I told you about. What do you mean? Like, I told you about this guy. And he's like, no, I don't understand. You have got pambana umto. It's like, I'm doing this and this and that. It's not even that, yeah, but and Ben like, okay, it's exams. I don't have time to be, yeah, but it's just a relationship. So, or like even that also had an input on us breaking up. Because I couldn't tolerate his nonsense.
So advice to amachita immoral ntontoni yele nto kaliyema yekuhandle imithi mineki account imithi ka Instagram yeki account imithi ka Facebook suba mokwa iphone yayo because of
No, it's not even
Lloyd zange wakufuna account imithi like nje pasta zakho
mna ndayinikwa mna zange ndiyifune ngathiwa ina and
you know, that's what I also,
enjoy game less.
You know, that's what I also do.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yazi busy ngonono. Ufuna nje ukulahlisa nje uline.
dog.
Yeah, that's what happened.
That's
what happened. I was like, oh, I'm so busy, you know. Like, if you have trust issues, I can do this, I can do that, I can do that. So he was like, oh, give give it to me. Yeah, but the put them like, give and then he struggled to log in because obviously if only I get dictate them was okay, someone this tried to log in your thing.
So ngoku manu wenza show ba
he's getting in like I'm trying
to notification ngena kuwe
so yena ulaways wena like one like notify by test is it you now
yeah
so when you routine when
I was like, oh, it's me, yeah, so I did because I'm not hiding anything, but I just realized the guy is insecure. First of all, I don't know, he has trust issues, and I told him, but I also have trust issues, but I'm not deflecting that on you, like on our relationship. That shouldn't affect what we have now. Like, past things are past things. Let's focus on now.
So Liam, kasi stick kulo way yakho ngifuna uthi limsi mina konzolibiza wrong i-out insecure bra because nathi mangathatheli kunathi mandithele ngam specifically
Are you also insecure?
you're big time
Really?
so uba mandiphume
At least whether you can
kusisiyendi
admit that you're insecure. They don't even want to admit that they're insecure.
but uyambona
I'd be like, nah, I'm insecure, nah. Like, it's just.
kaloku lawe yenziwa zipast ntontoni leya so
But guys,
i-out
zisa londo onto your current.
exactly ndifuna advice lo majita uba mawenze njani because of nam andizazi because I think ndake ndayibalisa leyo kwisiport then ndihleli nokhwevu nosimosha but kwipast tontoni amosha i-relationship ezininzi utshomi ngale way yam yobu-insecure and nangoku ayikandisebenzeli akho mide ndiyithembayo always senala mentality into yoba
She's gonna cheat on
you
me.
know
I can never trust when she's going
Vele
out.
nje. Vele nje boy.
so uthini
Chintshile generation.
Do not do that. Do not do that.
Don't
Abantu
do that.
abafana.
Exe mna
kasbe advice Liam
Advice
mhlambi solunga
bafana
Wait,
abantu.
just tell you. Stop having that mentality. Stop bringing your past things onto her. Stop like punishing her for things that she didn't do. Now she must live up to that because when now you're putting her in a position. Obviously, now she's gonna feel some type of way. I end up because when you keep on saying stuff that are not even true, and then she does it. She does it because utikiwe nguwe. Like ebexaxisa into e1. I'm telling you, I went with my friends. Trust me, yabo. And I'm gonna
so you went to nansi lando kwenzeke ke ngoku shoot i-videos fana namagumba ebona video kansenayo unayo la video
I do have it.
nithumela kucela nayo ndifuna siyibeke up kwenzeke shoot i-videos nje ayibona umjita expect i-react njani ke ngoku
Okay, first of all,
uthi uphuma nejomi zakho
okay, listen. First of all, Nane, I must say to him, okay, first of all, I don't call my boyfriend babe or anything. I call him by his name, yabo. For example,
There's no need.
Eto.
No, you can call me Kyambiza Kamnani. Talk.
Okay, it's my love. Like, you know, today I'm gonna go out with my friends now. So just know that I'm gonna be sitting with who and who. I'm gonna be sitting with her brother.
Respond yet.
Sitting with her cousin. Yeah, so don't worry if you do see guys. You know, obviously they're gonna be guys. But I'm not doing anything, and I'm gonna keep on texting you time to time.
Bananga peso brother.
Jan, how old?
Yeah, age up.
That doesn't matter. At least I'm telling you.
Kaloku nanja pendula according to mna like la guy insecure
i-conversation nawe thetha naye
Let me tell you.
yeni le ncoko
Okay, so I'm gonna be sitting with them, ne? I'm sitting with this and this. So when don't be shocked if you do see one of the guys in the videos. I promise you I'm not doing anything, and I'm gonna try to talk to you in between, even though it's gonna be hard. But I'm gonna try to communicate with you, like, you know, reassure you that it's okay. Don't worry about anything.
Now jonga papa awusithi ba uzo communicator it means 2 minutes it's enough ba kwenzeka into eninzi so when uzomana uncheck after 10 minutes yeah
ubani
ba uzomana uncheck wena after 10 minutes now into endiyazi 2 minutes ininzi kabi so when inemfuna yenze ndicuzisa asambe soyithuma
uyaphi insecure ngoku uyabona hayi ayibengafuni ingena le nto ngoku
sithetha as umuntu insecure
ngiphendula ke Liam
Change your ways because now, okay, I know, but I'm dealing with an insecure guy. Yeah, but now I'm trying to compromise, but I know my man is insecure. So let me reassure him. Let me know him. Let me know and reassure him. But I'm your girl.
Sure.
Like no one is gonna take you away from me. Like I'm yours. Like stop overthinking. Yeah,
I think better kubuli chola
I know jonga papa simayenda ungahamba
it's okay.
okay, yeah,
You know
Thembile.
exactly.
But xa ndiyolala nje icinga la we
I'm gonna
it's
call
offline
you.
ngoku yole athi mphilile
Gabeleni nuva la magama mfethu.
No.
Gabeleni nuva la magama mfethu I'm your girl
No, but like that's how I'm trying to like reassure you that don't worry about
feel
it.
born come on
thanda wena wedwa is away
Don't worry, like trust me, you know, I'm gonna text you first thing in the morning when I wake up, I'm gonna let you know when I'm home, you know.
I know
But I feel like it's like if you know like you're dealing with an insecure man, like be able to communicate with him. Yeah, but reassure him like from time to time. Because if now we are Tula and he's insecure,
uyamphambaniza uzovuka nge-text i-voice note and nawe ke ngoku
missed calls.
Exactly.
yenzeka la ube ngalamini yenzeka kanye kubo friends ngalamini tola thoughts leya yenziwe
Nah, he's crazy. And you know what's crazy, ne?
yeah.
You know what's crazy, ne? He's friends with the guy that I was complaining about, the insecure guy. He's friends with him. So this makes sense why he was like that. Like they're just like that. Or maybe they are dating pretty girls, you know, and then they feel some type of way.
But
nah, guys. But that girl is so loyal, Lloyd. Like that girl is so loyal. Like even how drunk she is, she will still stay on her toes, but she's not gonna do anything. Because there were people who tried to come and approach her. And she was like, she was like faithful to her man. She was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. And that's very attractive. Yes, a loyal girlfriend is so attractive.
But so masithi ke ngokuliya regarding ezwe zakho ezi-autism ezi-insecure and ke ngiyabona nawe siqeda kule we GBV vat yonke ezwe women tontoni wena ke wadibana ne-out abusive?
No, I've never.
Zange wadibana mhlawumbe ichomi zakhe ezine abusive tontoni?
Nah.
So nelakhe nangoku zange watest lakhe? So pack up whether
you don't deserve to be abused.
No, but you know, but then there's like different forms of abuse, guys. There's like emotional abuse and in. But even Nalap, I've never been. But as soon as a guy raises their voice at me, I'm gone. I'm not gonna tolerate that. Like we shout.
Kaloze fix situation ezinjalo ufika inqaku ke ngoku
No, you can never. Do not scream at me. Do not uphamalele kum ufuna ukhresha out this. Do not do that.
Then after an hour.
Then
after an hour.
No, I will not. If he can scream at you, if he can raise his voice at you, he can beat you at any time. He can do. Guys, I will never do that. I will never date a guy who screams at me. You scream at me, oh, make it chills. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna put myself in that. You raise your voice, I'm gone. Learn how to talk to me, because now I'm gonna have I'm not gonna shout.
So
No, I don't even shout at people.
And they out
I don't.
No people just
I don't. Like I don't think I've came across someone who's made me like very mad to a point where I'm crashing out. Even cheating doesn't make me mad. You cheat, I'm gone. Because I'm not. Seriously, I'm not. No, you can never. No, you can never convince me that it was a mistake. It was not a mistake. It was something you were thinking about before you even started to drink. It's something you were thinking about.
No, wasn't thinking about it. Like
okay, then why won't you control yourself? Why won't you control yourself?
Okay, mamela ni. Last year.
What cheat? So you've never cheated on?
I've never cheated.
Cookie story.
To be honest, if you cheated.
Mike.
If you cheated, be honest.
Yeah.
You cheated.
Yeah, not
stand honest, stand on your grind.
I'm standing on my grind.
Look at me and say, okay, you cheated.
Mike.
I can even help you.
Like I'm trying to cook here, chief man.
So be honest.
Yeah, being honest, yeah.
Okay.
Again, I ends alone. But who's the reason?
Why?
Okay.
There's no reason to cheat, guys. There's never a reason. You have a choice to leave.
Uthanga ngevoice kanye nge-cheating
Sithetha nge-cheating.
There's never a reason to cheat. Just say, but it's fine, you can tell us.
No, like ukuze ngicheate ne. Ukazi ndabona ba like ukuze ngicheate ne. Yabo ukazi nambona like no ngoku nangu izinto ajema ngoku. Then I'm not ngona.
Thina ujema.
Ujema nomuntu. Like ubona sisivaya soyithu like nandisanga ne-shop. Nanke nohamba phaa kwelacala naxa mphume eshop like ngoku ujemile yena ngoku
like
ustopile naleyo
okay
naqomba yabo la yoba overthinker la yena qomla out esebekele 2-3 CV phaa la out noba sekubambene number ezi-10.
So now you think your girlfriend is easy?
So it's a
go ni mana umntu ukuthi ngisamanga no lips. No. asikwazi uvaya mna nawe ezimedi yami
Ningene
Oh,
ngene shop mna
okay.
manje
Okay.
ukubambela into
Okay.
iporridge okanye
Okay.
ukubambela idrink yabo
Wow.
then xa nisithi ha
Ulothi-
She's already smiling. She's already giggling. It's
Except
you.
Beto aging ngenyawo for nini
Siphosisa.
wathini njengoku
Yethu.
wathini
awafo nini asithi for July naqamba okay mojo same time ke xa ndivaya ndaphuma ngesami istrato sivayela
Hayi,
yena uqumbele ba ndimshiyile
But still, that doesn't give her a reason to be like standing with another guy.
Jimile cha de kwangona nami ke ndaqalisa kongalamini namosha then dasifake entweni engakwazi ukuphuma ke ngoku
liyemo wena zange wachita
But, Johnny,
zange wachita
no, I've never cheated.
hayi
I promise you.
masingathithi PR
If-
tontoni apha must
Serious,
be real
I'm being
zange
You guys can ask
Zange,
anyone.
zange,
I've been-
zange.
On God, I've never cheated. If I lose interest, I'll tell you I don't like you anymore.
sometimes kaloku i-cheating nawo as
Yeah,
well because
talking about interest, khona apha
abuse
emfune khona.
abuse i-cheating ayo
Cheating.
physical so ikhona naleya lapha so wena zange wachita kwa emotionally
No,
physically
I've never. Like if I
awuthikali
do,
yema if uyayibukela leyo
I don't
yazibona
even
podcast
have a
zethu
boyfriend.
ezi zasepast if
Oh,
file
Mama,
zifile
comment,
masesuka ukwenzela wezi snacks
kakukhomene
Mbami.
comment down today.
umthuke
Nah, guys, nah.
Okay,
Like
okay.
I've never cheated. Shame. It's either like Hlambi. I don't know if they would consider it's not cheating.
masive
or-
then thina
Because
sizokuxela uba
it was like
yilo
someone who's my schoolmate. He's my friend, you know. So obviously he texts me, yeah, but he has been texting me my whole life, yeah, but so now I'm dating this guy, you know. So
Nailo
he's
chats.
gonna,
naye log chats
What do you mean?
log chats WhatsApp naye
akanayo i-chat zakhe
I'm not
zilokho
locking
kuwhatsapp
anything. I'm not locking anything. I'm not
waqhubekeka
hiding.
nestori teni mani umethe omunye liya bafuna uzive
no
ezi story ne
nizamhlanganisa ingxaki
I don't have lock chats in that.
but they bethetha nawo your whole life
Yeah, he's my friend, yeah, but so now he came in my life, yeah, but he doesn't approve of this guy. He doesn't like this guy, yeah, but
of which it's valid la way out yakho leya
But that's my friend. Like I just
Zinto
met
wakho.
you a week ago, and you expecting me to get rid of my friends?
okay must change your roles
It
ke
doesn't
must
make
change your
sense.
roles ke ngoku
Doesn't make
Nangu
sense.
eyethu ke ngoku unemedi une-friend eyokudala ethetha nayo bomakhe bonke njengoba usitsho nawo
Like childhood, they grew up together.
yes
So now I started dating Etu. I'm
uzofika
telling
uthini
you.
uzofika uthini ndikufaka kuloo situation uzofika uthini wena uzofika uthini
Huh?
wena
Ndithi-
nangu eyethu unechomi yakhe imedi udale kule nayo
I understand, you know, guys. If that's a seriously, I understand. Ikuwa into if you wanna fool me. If you wanna fool me, I don't care,
Side and
guys.
believe.
Guys,
Yeah,
in
believe.
relationships, I'm not prioritizing.
ngombona kakuhle emehlweni mna ndimboni kakuhle ndimjonge ecala mphilif
There's no reason,
for
guys,
uzithethelela
or to paint a picture of
Jean.
me. Nah, guys, serious.
Yes,
I
yes,
don't
the way friends.
prioritize cheating. Like your relationships like that. If you cheat on me, it's fine. I'm not even gonna ask questions. No. Why would I cheat back?
obazaba nge-revenge
Why would I'm
Revenge
not,
yabo
guys?
khona.
I will never forgive cheating. Nah. I will never.
so wena
I've been cheated on, and I never forgave.
so unala nhliziyo ye-out wena
John.
like you
It's not even that.
shooting inhliziyo
Ayikho
out
loo
hey say-forgave cheating thing
hayi
John, you guys are his time.
wedwa
You don't know your worth.
I was young
Yeah.
young and stupid madoda
I was young
Ayazi worth yakho.
namxolela
Why?
namxolela
Awuthandi Lord.
but after leyo way zangiphinde relationship
abantu
It's
bekuchile
Even normal.
fine, exactly.
because of ngoku sendiyazi kulaa phone leya ndingancazela noyibahamba ngoba because if imini yami ibimandi so ndifuna
Yeah, man,
udlala
that's it. You wanna? I wish I can be
Ngithanda
like.
nyani doda.
ndalimala mfethu mna bebomini
When was this?
Msencane,
When was
doda.
this? Grade 9, grade 10,
physics grade 10
grade 10.
grade 10
Wachitela?
khawucinge bra so ndisibalisile esi story class podcast uzosiva esi story hayi ndamxolela
Physics, doda. Yavuthini sakithi physics
Physics 10. How is that related?
Physics.
if you know you know
Once again, guys, just give me a brief explanation. What happened?
ndizayiphinda vier cause asikayikhuphi
You can just summarize. It's fine.
uthatha ifowuni yakhe eklasini yakhe ndigqiba uthatha ifowuni yakhe eklasini yakhe ndahamba ndayozifihle konini ndigqiba uzifihle konini ndafumana itshet ndigqiba ufumana ii-chats intliziyo yaphuka mind you laa fowuni leyo ndiyithathe engayazi
Like
yena
no nawe
kaloku
lonto.
iba khona laa nto ubone iba khona laa gut feeling kanye laa
guys.
hand feel as if wazi ntoni
I don't know her.
Yamazi.
kanti ndimchaze nje last week
Yamazi kodwa. Who is she?
But I don't think that I know about you.
funeral
guys
plan
once they kid.
but ke
Amazi.
ndayibona wena ndifuna uzibona nje ndazibona but after la way I think and nisidlala nge-mind games akaziphendulela akathini akanitext akathini for 2 weeks wavela sesithi baby qona yo oko bostabediswa kubuye vele ekhaya but ke ngoku after lo way leyo ndiyakuva xa usithi bana i-cheating ayixoleli
Backups akazispana, boy.
It's dumb. You're foolish. You're foolish.
Ip out I'm
Z.
Out.
Uthi uLloyd pa. Aside uLloyd ndambuza. So lo muntu une-backup uthi i-backup une-backup yo bonini.
so
You know, guys, I don't
loo nto
think
funa sibe insecure bra sabona izoyo esibancane
ayidanga laa nto kodwa because you're hurting yourself at the end. Ngumntu ozomoshaka.
ndisafe ndithetha loo nto ngoku lingacinge loo nto xa nje ndithela intoni istori sam khazi andithetha loo nto ntomkayibukela le nto thetha loo nto
But you're never gonna. No, I don't think that like, Zathini, you ever forget that. Like that's always gonna be in your mind. Like you're never gonna forget that. Yeah, but that's why I feel like people hurt people for the next person. Yeah, so it's messed up, guys. Just go back to your first love, please. Let's wrap this up.
So Nina
First love yami
pretenda
limele.
okanye nithini
Like uthi ba manje ku first love yami. Why?
Was she your first love? No, Beglandus the shop.
she's shy
Was she your first love?
No, you can't say but she was my first love, but he always needs another experience and
Nah.
like nothing and I send him mature to send him part level. So I can consider her as my first love.
yazi
Who's
ngiyakutenda
that? I don't know. Look at him. Come on now.
Come it
So you like big girls. You like that? Type actually.
Not actually, me but
like mastrong uliyema apha kuliyema uliseba unga type yakho kanje kwenzeka ntoni
Why must I be an example?
no ndifuna ubuza sinsolapha ngoku uzothi yes or no mntakwethu
kui.
no sensitsho like wena unconya mama kanjani liyema wise okanye no uzanelisi lenda zama-catalog
Guys, the spotlight.
This is my catalog Liyema wise dog.
liyema wise liyema all the way
This is my catalog.
site wena xa wena yakitype njani mntakwethu
Guys.
liyema wise
Guys.
okanye
Ayikho nenzayo la ayizona into enzayo. Ayenzi. Now like la nto
Yokuthi kuyawasha kuwe.
stupid.
hayi nyani
La
very
nto
very
I have
very
a type
very
is stupid. I
Yokuthi
don't
kuyawasha
know.
mna
You don't have a
If
type.
it is yummy, like
He's
yeah.
attracted to you.
Yeah, like
Yabona,
like I was once in a situation upon bam. Khona ukhazi uyakuthanda ngishort esibonakala esakuthanda then there's this girl le wena udate nayo so lo girl lo uyambona ba kuse man wena wenza kancane ukhazi yena
Wenza
uzobonisa like
kakhulu.
efforts
But obviously she's not gonna do much because she's dating you. Like she doesn't need to impress you because you're already her man. And Loana is trying to get
Yeah,
you, trying to
but
impress you. Exactly.
damn sumbazela uyava kanje uvuka nje
no
He doesn't
ndivyo yakhe
ne
uyombambile
so since silapha kule piece benejezi
Penetrate.
limpsi
Yeah.
nawe mntakwethu ndifuna ubuze nje since sikule nto futhi uma ndiqhubekeke ngayo koko ikhona laa nto wena tshomi la ex leyo uqonda uba hey hayi kodwa apha wasiyanga
And stupid.
hayi apha
And
ndazanyenye
ndingamphika.
apha noma ndingamona ukuthi wena nantya tshomi zam zithi nantya ikhona kuwe ngiqale kuwe
Yeah. I've done bad
kwenzeka ntoni
No,
Best
he was
done so ke kuyi-one
one.
oh
Like I'm saying like I'm saying like I made a bad decision dating him.
umuthi baninzi
like
No.
indone ikwenza like you-convince
Because
umuntu
I
yakho.
look back now and I look at him, I'm like, ew, like, ugh. Like, what the hell was I doing? Like, what was I thinking?
Sitaciselele because nathi uzo-upgrade singajonganga ezandlela nathi.
No.
Hayi bo.
Njani
Kwenzeka
ba?
ntoni ngoku? Ngubani lo? Hayi leta sowuthethile.
No, but let me just clarify that I've never dated someone in my area. No, I've never done
So
that.
nobene bezidosa
No, it
shem.
was someone who likes me.
Bezidosa shem.
You
Esithi
never
ba.
dated someone from your area.
It was there's a girl I dated in my area.
No, meko girls.
Side.
Lemo. Sisitsho mina sathetha gqithi mina.
Yeah.
Ifuthi ngena kheko.
No, I'm being for real, guys. Like,
When ufuna uba clear, but ufuna siyeke netso.
no, say the
Andimazi
name.
mina kaloku.
Say the name so that we can clarify
No,
it.
nothi gama sifuna ufaka spotlight umshita.
But
So
then-
zanga kwa.
No.
Wana kwa crush pa.
No,
So soon as
but
it's back.
I've dated someone who was in my area.
Yeah.
It was a girl. I'm saying it's a girl.
Mna ngisithetha poti. Okay, the boy that time. Cause
Come on, akekho.
Mike.
Oh no, guys, no, it's not true. It is not true.
Like
It is
yakhumbula.
not
Kanti
true.
ngifo.
It is not true.
But yakhumbula
guys.
yakhumbula ngixelela.
I think we liked each other, but we never dated.
Yeah.
We never dated.
But
We
zang
liked
Oh, namandazi
like
ngibefo.
uzokwazisa izinto kum.
Izo-
Bathini line.
Okay.
Uzobamba la line mina.
How many years ago?
Yo, right. Back then.
I remember because we used to be close, me and him. I remember now. But
Back then,
I'm not
though.
umuntu who lives in my area because akasahlali phana
No,
now. I'm
ngafika
like,
nithetha ngomuntu different. Uthetha ngubani wena?
hayi
Now
nguye,
uthetha
akekho
ngubani?
omnye
Uthetha
umuntu.
ngubani?
He's off his own.
Uzohlebezela bizileta man. Bizi initials.
Makabizi igama apha
Zoba.
in his ear.
Nali ningatsha ngizulayo.
Ewe.
Anonymous.
He's also
Day
talking
one.
about
Nive
But it's not
nive
true.
phi?
When was lapho la line wena?
Qisa vethu man.
Nah, it's just back in, like he liked me, but then like Zangin, I never
But
gave him
nah.
a chance.
But dog.
Excel, fuck that. Uthe ne?
Ah,
Ne? But mina bengayivanga bengathi into yakudala. Ingayewe ngoku.
Back
no,
then.
it was
dog.
back then.
Oh.
It was, and I think I was
Back
like,
then.
Yeah man,
I
ngo
was like-
SABC lo sebesifihle izinto. But then ufuna ubiza
I was like, I was like 12 or 13. He liked me,
In his-
you know,
in his
but then I
speaker zone,
didn't. Eh?
Ngispeaker zone.
No, for real, I'm being for
I
real.
was young. Noma batsho nabambonke
But I was young,
Xa
I wasn't-
bembona.
She was young and naive.
I was-
So
And
ngoku.
yeah, ish.
But
And we used to be, No, we never dated. We never dated. You can even bring him on here.
No,
and
no, no, no,
say-
no, no, no,
And
no,
he
no.
can clarify.
Ay.
But
There's no need.
Zomzi stop.
There's
I
no need.
feel
Now khona.
No, you can
No.
call him and all.
Darling,
No
Awe.
man, there's no need. There's no need. Besiphi kanjani besikuba le out yakhe yakwenza ntoni le busithi bana? Le busithi.
Unjani phofu ngoku?
Ya lo mjita man.
Ninendaba nina.
She's
Akayenzanga nix iqhala kubona xa you just look back and like, ew, like what was I thinking?
Kaloku iundo wena
Ew, like it
imasiyazi.
doesn't look good anymore. Like
So wena into zamwitsho if ebenuka approach ngeli xesha engakaphushanga ngela xesha ubuzothi no.
I would
Aze
thing
ngoku.
is I actually like I liked him a lot. Like I liked him so much.
Yo neba kuchiwa nakuma.
Like I liked him a lot, and even till today. Are you okay?
Go.
Like even today,
yes.
like even
September only,
today.
bro.
No, to like you should understand like first love stuff. But it wasn't my first love, but it was a good relationship with him. You know, I want to mention his name, but I'm not
comfortable
gonna
and
do
stuff.
it. I was
First love,
comfortable
first
with him. He's known as
Avon hlebeza.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma, ufuhlekisa leyo nto. Is known as
he's
ubani?
known as S.
area kanje.
Like his name, he's known as that. No, that's not his real name.
The
but
guy or the
They
girl?
call him the guy.
The
Not in my
guy.
area.
Yes.
Wait, area.
Huh?
I bet drinks.
Alba.
Why?
He used to have dreadlocks, but then he cut it.
Yabo ngoku kufanele kuye into deep game.
Guys, no.
Wait,
Let's
Lalela.
let's
Qabela ngo 8.
Uh-uh.
Oh.
Guys, let's leave it. Fast forward. I don't want to talk about my relationship stuffy.
Then the chase when I do have that ex but I was young.
Mna
Mike. When I'm the middle years.
like mna ex Komba was young and stupid. Oh.
So enjoy bonke wena.
Nah. Oh, nobody by enjoy bonke like it's not about like it's not about the ex. Just enjoy bone.
Abantu sosuba busy nabo. Ndibeke njalo.
Not kuba busy man, just enjoy. Ngqana ubiza because uthe basa mtraumatizer man.
I said.
Ibiza. Nje ukapisa ixheko nje ubone.
What's that? Guys.
So wena abantu bunabo kwipasi ngabantu nje just to kapisa ixheko.
Like zikhona ex uqome ndanithandana nazo.
Kaloku mna ndithi kaloku
The ex.
you are young.
General.
Gogo. Ngena makazi dayo straight utini.
Wait, now let's ask you.
Na.
Let's ask you.
I was young.
You were young and naive. And she
Lo mna uqala uqala
she
ujona
played your
sekeqala
fi-
ukhetha lo uqala
I was young.
Who was your first girlfriend?
Vele Themba.
Oh.
I was young.
Did you love Uzoleta Maganye?
Yo bra, ngifuna lo abantu bamcingayo. Khona lo wayibe ngumain seyibaba yami mhlanje savana nangoku ngifuna bacinga yena. Ona mama
First love
naziqhamoxa.
yakho.
Bendizixona.
Yabona lo baba wakho. It's your first love. Go back home.
Ndiza ngoba
Guys, yabona mna I don't know.
ndiza ngoba
I don't know.
nikilet.
Oh.
Wena uthi first love yami leyo uyazela.
No, I'm saying,
But like,
the
so
way
you
you're
see
saying, but we still good. Like, I don't know, none of your exes in there.
Ndithinga
none of your
first
exes.
love yami nix. Kanje zange si
It's okay to admit. Sibanalalo ba? Never. Like,
Nento they admit I'm ngendlela yiyo but this time andizivuma because of siyavana because we am
yeah, Vanna, because you guys loved each other. Like, there's still that past. Exactly. And it can still be renewed. Ingaphindi iqale eqaleni.
azifuni bamandibuyele back endizivule after sindiphumile no
So you wouldn't go back.
ulinyaziwe too much
So you
no
Live
Vayo.
no. Go first love I am.
even this vayo Chomi.
Hima, guys, have you ever felt, I don't know if you guys experienced this, but have you guys ever felt like, you know, there was this one person in your life, like you never got the time to love them, like you never got the time to love them the way you wanted to.
yes last of last year
Is it?
ngenxa yeform na ngenxa ye-insecurity yobawo akafuni nova ngoku
I'm so scared, like I don't even.
Liema sibane war umbile
Why? What's wrong?
Next.
Was I supposed to give it to you?
Nikon na shit.
Thank you.
okay last of last year insecurity but njengongo si sharp state and friend anile sablokana bandi sharp kubiyeke nobomi you move dogs phela kayi1
So, Bali, who's in your life now? Like someone you like?
yo
Lloyd, who is in your life?
Do you have a girlfriend? You know, do you have a girlfriend?
Are you taken?
Do you have a girlfriend?
Right.
Oh, umbuzo.
No mfuna ngesixhosa kambe ngesixhosa.
Oh, unayo
Lloyd yajola.
baby ndekuthanda
Lloyd yajola.
Uyazazi lo muntu enijolana.
baby ndekuthanda uyazazi wena ndoni ngoku uhamba unijongise ngalama-auto konke uyazazi wena usisi one sam wena asiyiqhayela ityali yela video TikTok
Yazi ngiyithanda futhi.
siyiqhayele kodwa uba lenzi so dilonke into yoba unenza isifebe ko uqoba ba
See, this is why I hate Xhosa Gyans.
ngela masimba uqoba mama licho
So you hate it Xhosa Gyans.
I don't like Xhosa
eyiqhayela ityali
Prefer ubani?
I don't like Xhosa Gyans there, but I don't mind dating outside. I don't have a boyfriend.
bethe
No, I said
bahlukene
someone
kaloku
previously in my
Instagram nje uphaphile kaloku yena wafuna
Ufuna Instagram. So ufuna Instagram nawe mjita. For sure uzambukela kuba umbona nawe samncane.
Hey there.
Hi there. Yabulisa.
I'm joking.
Nami ndabulisa.
yo wespa ku TikTok noma ngakhula wesamjita kanokubona ngo
I don't give a damn about him because, like, you know, I don't know, man. I don't
Right.
like crazy people in
Don't
my
talk.
life.
Right.
Intoni?
Thiyena uthi bani wesipaka TikTok angikhula wesixa nokubona.
Njani?
Yazi Liam zamuthini manje.
Right.
Njani? I don't understand what's
Right.
happening. I don't understand what's happening. What's happening?
Let's talk, Lloyd.
Inxaki benchile no not that them stock Liam. Yabona ngoni
He came
ngakubonisa.
across my life.
Thank you very much.
But I didn't
Wangena
even see.
ku-profile.
Wait.
Thank
the
you
thing
very
is-
much.
wait, the thing is, I didn't even see that.
And ke
Ooh,
ngoku ndijoinile
Lloyd.
okanye kwenzeke ntoni and kamnandi into manje ngo-TikTok iyakunika notification uba abantu bane-view the profile mna ndingene nje so
Oh, I think yeah. When I
Dai-
came across your
Daibona.
podcast, so I went to go check it
nje
out.
xa ndingena kuyo hey ndabona esinye siqumqum jola kakebona inentshebe nenqayi ndathi hayi
Oh,
tshomi yam apha
the-
tshomi yam igone le tsotsi le ingathi anytime I can book you a flight you can just come right now I'll book you a hotel and I'll organize champagnes
But it's not even like
Besithi
that.
sikubuza ngala out.
and the conversation
No,
ndiyakhumbula
Like
What would you say
celeb
we are
out
friends?
celeb but it's just njengoba baseleke la celeb indlela ayukanye uzi.
He's not a celeb.
Simgqibele
No, he's
tell
not.
us are we
It's like someone that like and usually like on TikTok you just press like the button
join.
and then you just like you're with people you don't know like you guys
So
just
vela mthanda.
no
man,
ndimthanda
nqabele ntoni wena?
it's like TikTok gave me him so sadibana I'm like oh hi hey
Yeah,
how are you
Jet.
doing or like maybe you guys play a match you know those things guys you guys are not in tune with TikTok you guys are gonna understand what I'm saying
big time
Yeah,
because
but-
nandibona nje so live so uthetha nomntu
Exactly. Yeah,
ndibuze
it's not like
nazela phi
we
nini
planned
phi
to talk to this person if I know. I don't know them. Like I just saw them now. I'm just mhlawumbi mina ndithetha ngendlela engathi kudala ndibazi or maybe the way I
Oh,
sound is like
eh,
I already know.
oba
them.
bufriendly bakho man
Ne?
oba bufriendly
Nah,
bakho
I don't know them at all. Like I just talk, oh hi, how are you doing? Da, 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 da.
Right.
I'm alive. You know, it's entertaining. So yeah, it's like that.
hayi mna ndinabona nyawo thi bendiqonda uba hayi
Unless
le
two other bad. The only people that I know, if I know them, just know like I mean like a lot of there's a lot of people like a lot of panels. Then I know these people like like one of them are my friends or what. But we're also planning to be live again tonight.
Cela bakhona ku live. No?
so ufuna
Do you wanna join?
joina
It's
kaloku phaa
okay.
Like ndizoza kuwe mna.
Huh?
Kanye zoba live pha kuwe mna.
What?
At least
Why?
pha kumkhona ring lights ne lights.
I also have a ring light by the way.
I am nala that thing. It's the biggest ring, the
Brightest.
biggest. Yeah, it's brightest and number disco lights. And kona ne LEDs pha kuwe ngaba live kamnandi.
Like, say something. Save me.
so uliam uba live ku-TikTok ufuna umsearcha ku-TikTok nguliam abani Liam Amatikwa. Liam Amatikwa.
No, it's not Liam Amatikwa.
Yes.
It's Limsy Lee.
Lim-
Limsy_Lee.
Li Instagram yena lo ufunwa shushu
Both Limsy Lee.
sisemnandi site up
That's all.
She'll wrap it up ngoku.
ne
Yeah, we good. What's the
Ne.
time?
so Liam wena una nothing to say before sivale le nto
I have nothing to say, but I just like enjoyed it, guys. Thank you so much. It was fun.
So kange like sothini na.
so uzanele nto ufuna uza nayo
just
Eh?
speak your heart
Okay,
out.
must-
Straightforward.
chen cause umjita uza ngedotini yakokoleza ndoda nqana nqo
Eh?
nqana nqo
Oh, kuthiwa kaloku sibogokeleza fundi uyiqhathi intombazana fundi.
Ted, sweetheart.
Da. Oh,
Yeah,
but
but I
Side.
lose interest. People who lie, I lose interest.
mna
like
ndive
not uqhatha like in a way
Okay,
kakhulu.
speak.
Ne-
I wanna know what you mean.
So you feel like grand ke.
I was comfortable. Shan. I was like scared at first because like yo Sana things like this people do talk like people be saying like the worst stuff. People are not nice guys out here. Like you just doing this, you thinking it's for fun. People be like yo
But
leave me
you offend
papa.
abanye abantu.
Yeah, leave me papa. Why
fuck
would
them
you do that?
fuck
Nah, nah, nah.
them thala what
So
you
it
must
was-
fuck the people
It was nice for me. It's like it's for entertainment purposes.
Yes,
it
Jumi.
was nice. I enjoy this. Like, even people who do like.
na next
watch
time
my
sipina
TikTok.
sik invite
I would love it, but if, like I was kind
will
of
love it.
nervous. I loved it, guys.
hey thuma ngingala nqo man ngala nqo man
Eh?
Ngala
Oh,
ngqo.
kuthiwa ngabangqala ngqo.
dog we're wrapping it up ngoku ngala nqo
Ah, sizothetha.
Ooh.
Tell it now.
Oh no.
dog
Give something just
Hints?
for people to be like curious about.
Okay, guys, it was nice. Yeah.
no Uliam I think ndiyamva mna cause beke kwathethwa ngento ye-hugs before sirepa phi show so andiyazi noba yinto esambile mna ndiza apho
No, is that what you want?
my nigga is that what you want
perfect. Why must we do it in front of people?
No, like I'm not okay. I want to feel okay.
Guys, we're gonna feel okay.
I'm
as
okay.
soon- We're gonna feel okay. We must
No,
feel
like hug
Hey,
is on and feel
Hey,
fine.
Don't do this.
Why?
Don't do
Liam,
this. Hello.
ngubani ku Facebook, Instagram, zona TikTok,
I only
kapela
have
nabantu.
IG. I only have IG and TikTok. Yeah.
Handles zakho zishiyepa, zithini?
It's Limsie _
Mhm.
Lee. LIMSIE _LEE. That's
Ngivile ke underscore. Yonke lonto. Phela Jesu uxolile mnganami. Before ndivale. Kwenzeka ntoni?
No, but
not
you're not
okay.
gonna get it in
No,
general.
I'm not okay. I want to be okay.
Otherwise,
traumatic.
otherwise.
What if the weekend?
What of the day, guys?
What if the weekend?
Of the weekend.
From boy.
Out of okay.
I'll tell the mic now.
Out of the weekend limbs.
I don't, just have fun. I guess.
Okay, what of the weekend, guys? I couldn't say fire on the colleague. Except cheetah out. Yeki phone cheer. So
Stop
phone
being insecure.
accounts.
Stop being insecure.
Cela baxele Liam abalike ba subscribe ba comment bayenze yonke lonto. Rap apha ngokwakho show. Akucela Joe.
Guys, I'm so bad at this, guys.
You're feeling
Please like, subscribe,
Mm.
and share the video. Thank you so much.
Hit the bell button so that call us up this episode ufumane notification, share man, subscribe no nenzima because of view each but if you subscribe and if you share nah man
They're
can
evil.
you
But no more, not
Gee.
evil people do that.
the last request. Lloyd, tell me put me in the camera.
site
Tell me
Can
put me
Ah, but we can wrap
Tell
it
me
up. Let's wrap
Tell
it
me
up.
put
Let's
me
wrap
in.
it up. Right now, guys.
Balili show.
It's done. It's
Okay,
done.
guys, please do like and subscribe. Click on the notification part.
kana una magama umkanami cabu beka buhlungu
We
Rose Liam
Istanbul.
thank you man thank you Joe